Hello everyone. A leaked 17-page letter by former President Thabo Mbeki to ANC Deputy President Paul Mashatile questioning why the ANC is not pursuing President Cyril Ramaphosa on the Phala Phala farm scandal is an indication of how the issue will dog the party ahead of the next year's elections. Mbeki said the party is using its majority in parliament to vote against any investigations into the Phala Phala scandal, risked alienating the masses ahead of the next year's elections. Solimo Wang, brand and reputation expert, said Mbeki has been outspoken in recent months, telling the party if they don't do certain things, there will be consequences. Soli said the ANC needs to realize there are two kinds of people who criticize the party. People like Mbeki do so with love. He grew up in the ANC and wants the party to stay in power, and there are other people who are tired and wanted to leave power. The ANC needs to stop panicking and jumping all over the place when people, including those who love the party, tell it the truth. He said Mbeki's comment on alienating the masses was meant to warn the party that there is a chance that it could not win the majority vote in next year's elections. He said the ANC does not care what people say about them, and they are in denial. The ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula confirmed that the party had received Mbeki's letter, saying although it was regrettable that the letter had been leaked, the NEC would engage with the former president. Last year, former presidents Jacob Zuma, Kgalema Motlanthe, and Thabo Mbeki publicly rebuked Ramaphosa over the Phala Phala scandal. Zuma accused Ramaphosa of corruption and committing treason following a cash high scandal at the president's farm. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.